Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Putra Prajapati. Last week we have seen a practical of file server and resource manager. Right now today the new practical on Windows Server 2016 series is how to create OU and how to delete the organization unit and how to give the delegation control to the organization unit. So this is the today's practical. So let's start our practical. First we have login our Windows Server 2016 OS. Let's login in our Windows Server 2016 OS. Now server manager is open up. Now first of all go to tools and click on Active Directory and users and computers. Now expand the Active Directory users and computer. Right click on tus.com, our domain, and you can see new option and you can see the various options: computer, contact, group, users and organization unit. So suppose we are giving the name is IT. Now organization unit has been created. Now let's create one user in it. Suppose right click on the blank space, click on new user and give any name, user 1. Give any password 12 is the simple password. Now password is given. Now user has been created. User 1 is created. Now one more thing in I have told, that is the delegation control and organization unit. So right click on organization unit, delegation control, click on next, then click on add user 1, check name, okay. Now is depend on you how much rights you have to give the this user about on the delegation control. So first we have right now we are giving the create, delete, manage and user permission and reset users. Now click on next, finish. Now to check this delegation control we have to log in our user 1 onto our domain controller. So first to do this we have to perform one more practical that we have already performed on last practicals, like in a group policy management. So group policy management, open it. Now you can see here the domain controller, because we have to log in on our DC. So right click on DC, expand DC, click on default domain policy, domain controller policy, edit. Now go to policies, Windows settings, then go to security settings, to local policies, click on the right user assignment, and you can see here the allow logon locally. Now add user, click on browse, user 1, check name, OK, apply, OK, and close it. Then close everything. Now open CMD. This is the very important thing for updating GP update course, because we have updated group policy. When you run this command, then it will give the result. GP update course. Now policies updated, exit. Now sign out. Sorry, we have sign out from our domain controller. Now click on other user, is our user 1, is first login. It will asking for changing password. Password has been changed. Now user 1 has been logged in. Now it takes some time, because the user 1 profile is first time creating in our DC, so it takes some little time. It's a very simple process about the creating the new profile. So now we can see our login is our user 1 is now logging on our DC. Now click on server manager to check the credential. User 1, it asking password when you open that console. Now we have to check the credential, so we have give user 1 credential about creating users and resetting the passwords. So go to again Active Directory users and passwords, click on in organization unit IT, that we have delegation control, so we can create new user. User 2. So as per rights in delegation control, we are able to create the user, we can change the password like and we can delete that user that we have recently. So this is the practical regarding how to give the delegation control and how to use that delegation control in our domain controller by using a user which have given the allow login local policy rights. Now again we are logging for our DC for our administrators login with our administrator login. Now our last task is how to remove what are the configuration that we have done. We should remove this configuration. Now first of all go to group policy management that we have started. And edit, policies, Windows settings, then security settings, local policies, user asset assignment, allow login locally, remove the user 1, then click OK. Now this thing has been, group policy has been removed. Now go to users and computer. Now we have to delete our organization unit. So right click on we do not have sufficient privilege to delete IT. This object is protected from external. So this is the main thing. We cannot directly delete that organization unit. So first go to views and click here the advanced features. Now go to properties. When you go directly properties, then option this object option you will not see, but when you click on advanced features, then it option will be enabled. So click here the uncheck this box and apply. Now delete. Okay, now our user is deleted. Our organization unit is deleted as well as user is also be deleted. Now our practical is over, but very important thing that run GP update force to, because we have another time change in group policy management, so it will affect when this thing updating GP update force. So this is the practical of creating the organization unit as well as give the delegation control as well as delete the organization unit. So you guys like this practical, then share this video guys, and press the bell icon and click on the all notification to watch more videos, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Thanks for the day.